Let me chip in something for you. If you really want to know how far, if you're really working, it's your growth on Instagram. Hello, I'm Hemosa Omi, a social media manager, and thanks for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Please, if you know that you've not subscribed, I don't know why you're hurting me. Please click the subscribe button, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos regarding your social media journey. I will be here for you always and always. Today we'll be talking about how to grow on Instagram. How to run Instagram. Like I said, Instagram is the guru. Most people, they want to really see if you are really good, they go on Instagram. That's where they even get you from. They go on Instagram, not many other apps. It's easier to go on other apps, but Instagram, you need hard work. But don't worry, I am going to make it easy for you by giving you 9 ways you can actually grow on Instagram. The first one is define your audience and niche. Yes, your target audience. Who are they? What is the age range? What are they interested in? What are they always seeking out for? What are they seeking to find? What are they always searching on the internet? Get those things and then make sure you tailor whatever content you are doing to that so that they can actually, whenever they search for those things, your content will come up. And then if they find it interesting and if it's able to satisfy them, they give you a follow, and then you get start getting traffic on your Instagram handles. All right. You don't need to use, let's say for instance, your target audience are actually young people. Then you start giving them content of the old things that will happen in the old. They will not actually, engage in those content. They find it boring because that is not what they want. All right. Then number two, create high quality content. Oshie Bades. See, like I told you, you can actually use low quality content on Facebook or on Twitter or TikTok. But you say Instagram, don't try it. Don't try it. You will forever be frustrated. So please, whatever you're using, if it's a picture, make sure it is high quality, something that is catching. If it's video, please make sure it's of high quality. Don't do anyhow, else you will not go on Instagram. All right, so make sure you create high quality content. Number three, make sure you post consistently. Post consistently, don't skip. That's why we're advised to use all these scheduling post apps, so you can schedule for like 1 month. I know you are free, so you not skip anything, because the moment you skip, it will start going down. And Instagram will think that you are not serious. Like I said, Instagram is for serious people. So make sure you always post consistently. Four, use relevant hashtags, but let it not be too much. Some of you, I go to your Instagram page and I see like almost 20, 30. Hello, calm down. You'll be restricted very soon. Please use relevant hashtags. It should like be like 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. That was okay as far as relevant and it's a trending hashtag within that your niche. Please make sure you use it. Or fifth one is always engage with your audience. Find out and don't be too. Some of us who are too lazy about that. They comment when your audience comments and you don't reply them. Let me tell you, that's why they think you are proud, especially when you are starting off. They think you are proud, you cannot reply them, they mean nothing to you. And that is one thing you should not make your audience feel. Don't make them feel like they mean nothing to you. So take out time to always reply to their comments. Anybody you see that shares it, make sure you thank that person. Reply to your DMs, no matter how it is. Just like you have to use the right things to say, because some might be very, very annoying. To make your audience feel loved and wanted, that you're actually appreciating, that they are even the ones that is actually making you to go on Instagram. You are there for them. So make sure you engage with them, else they will start dropping. Seven, make use of stories and reels. Do not just post alone. Make use of stories. You can decide to be, even if you don't post every day, just have a time you post in a week. It might be 3 times and be consistent with that. But make sure you post in your stories every day. And make sure you do reels. Don't just post only pictures. Reels will make you go viral more than even the pictures. You bring people that will now start engaging with the pictures. So make sure you do reels, quality reels. Like I said, quality content, quality reels. It has to be short. And in doing those reels, you have to use, let me tell you about one trick about Instagram. All right, I'm just giving you this because I love you guys. So one trick about Instagram as of now is you do not do really long videos on Instagram. All right, do a very short reel with a catching hookup and use a trendy sound. It will go viral. All right, eight, run contests and giveaways. Few years back, whenever I go on Instagram, I see some content and I hopefully want to like engage in it, especially all this modeling content. But then somebody opened my eye or like, it's not all of them that is, they're just doing it to get followers. But me, I'm not saying you should do that too. Run contest that you know you can actually afford. Don't go and put an amount that you cannot afford because but eventually when they engage in that contest and they say that it's a scam, they will destroy you. You understand? They will destroy you and they start calling you scammer. So to avoid that, if you are running a contest, make sure that you put a price that you can afford. Make sure that the money is there. Don't run scam contests. And then you do giveaways. People like giveaways. So you do it once in a while. Don't do it every day. Why I say you should not do it every day? So you know the kind of people that are following you for your content, people will follow you for your content, not really for the giveaway. So once in a while, you can do for top fans, top people that are always comment engaging on your post to encourage other people to do same. One is promote your Instagram account. A closed mouth is a closed destiny. If you want to grow on Instagram, promote it. Share your profile, share it to your WhatsApp, share it to your WhatsApp, share it to okay, let me say give you a system. There's this client page I actually created. It was a new account. So what did I do? At that time, I was having like over let's say 200 contacts on WhatsApp that is active. So what did I do? Immediately I created it and did everything. I changed it on my WhatsApp status, claiming that they should follow. But that I didn't end there because I know some people just view and pass. I sent it privately, pleading with them to follow my account, and I actually got up to 50 something followers to start off with before other ones they coming in based on the viral videos. So promote your Instagram account, share it to your WhatsApp contact, share it to your Facebook, all your platforms. Make sure you share it to them and let people follow you. You might be being a gathering, they call you to speak. Promote your Instagram account there, promote it, let people start following you and engaging your content. Do you understand? So you don't just stay there. This is what you can actually do without giveaway or money if you don't have money. The last one is monitor analytics. Monitor analysis. When you monitor those analysis, it's actually showing on Instagram, it shows you the number of reach a particular post went on. So you can monitor those things so you know the kind of post that okay, oh okay, I actually did this one did not provide, this one went there. So I will have to do more of this. So you now adjust your strategy. You don't just leave it like that. Always monitor it. If you can even do it every day or let's say every 3 days, every week, make sure you do that so that you know when the algorithm is changing. I know when you need to adjust your strategy. So with this 9 points I've given to you, I'm sure that you are going to go on Instagram, no doubt, except you are not doing any of these steps I gave to you. So thanks for watching this video to the end. Make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button, like this video, put on your comments, your reviews, any questions, and I will answer them. Then share this video to more than 5 persons. Stay tuned for more.